Yes, my dear students, now from today onwards we will start the GK, that is general knowledge, from the chapter number 1, meaningful flowers. In this chapter what you have to do, what does the flower gives us, what does the flower gives you the meaning. Okay, flowers are the most beautiful parts of a plant. Now what does questions arise? Look at the flowers given below. Recognize the expressions communicated by them. Write their gestures in the space provided. So these all answers you have to write with the pencil, not with the pen. And only you have to write in the book only. No need to make another separate copy. First is orchid. Orchid flower, what does it gives you? Thoughtfulness. Second, yellow rose. Yellow rose gives you a friendship. Hyacinth, please forgive me. Daffodil, respect. Chrysanthemum, you are a wonderful friend. Daisy, innocence. Freesia, trust. Crocus, gladness. Tulip, flowers of love and luck. Flowers of love and luck. Okay, now second chapter, common trees. In this chapter you see that we see many trees all around us. So many trees are around us. Can you identify the following trees? Their scientific names are given here. So you have to write the common name. One name they have given you, but another name you have to write. So first one is Jacaranda mimosifolia. So another name is Neeli Gulmohar. Second one is Butea frondosa, Palash. Third, Earth Rena indica, coral tree. Plumeria alba, champa. Cassia fistola, maltus. Dolonex regia, gulmohar. Clear? You have to write the common name. Now third chapter is astonishing plants. Many plants have astonishing features. How are a few? Here are a few with their descriptions. Name them. First one is dash plant consists of only 2 leaves which are more than enough as they stretch almost 6 feet from their woody base. Wilwiftia mirabilis. Okay. Now second is dash is rightly named as the tree of a death. Bunya bunya tree. Third is dash is also called monkey puzzle tree. Even a monkey finds it difficult to climb the maze formed by its branches. Chilean pine tree. Which tree? Chilean pine tree. Fourth is dash is as old as the times of dinosaurs. Its seeds kernel is a delicacy of China. This tree looks beautiful with golden leaves. Its barks and roots provided a popular tonic. Ginkgo tree. Which tree? Ginkgo tree. Fifth is dash is found in Madagascar in South Africa, it can store water like camel. It can survive in extreme dry weather by strong water inside its trunk. This is the another tree. Baobab tree. Which tree? Baobab tree is not similar with the other plants. Okay. Now fourth chapter is herbal world. Herbal world. India is famous all over the world for its herbal medicines. Already you have listened that herbal meanings jadi bootiyan. So in this chapter, what you have to write? See in the exercise. Give a head start and fill in the blanks. The leaves of dash help in curing bronchitis, Vasaka. Second, the root of raw wolffia help in lowering high blood pressure. The bark of cinchona helps in curing malaria. Fourth, the fruit of amla is used to cure scurvy. Fifth, the seeds of isabgol helps in curing constipation and dysentery. Sixth, the leaves of tulsi help in curing cough and cold. Till fourth chapter you have to complete. Okay students, bye.